Hi, I'm Paul. So it's the beginning of December, it's raining and my puppy's in my back. She'll cry, she cries a bit when I pull up in my car because she thinks she's getting out. So I'm going to do some work on my Berlingo, right? So I've got my friend to help me. I'm that sweary northerner, the YouTuber, and obviously my friend, and yeah, they're gonna help me do the sawing, any sanding, any spray gluing, anything that's got fumes or dust. They're gonna help me with it. So they're joining in on this channel and they'll be in my videos, or they may be the camera person, we don't know yet, we've not sorted out. So anyway, I'm in the Berlingo. The other day we stripped it out, we got the bed out, we got the unit out, and yeah, I'll just show you in the back of it now. But basically I'm gonna redo, if you can see there, I'm gonna redo the Berlingo, and I want a rock and roll style bed, and I want room at the front. I want a bit more room. I want to also be able to get my e-bikes in, and yeah, I've got loads of ideas. Right, so this is the intro for the video. I'll just show you in the back, and yeah, let's do it. Okay, so this is a Berlingo stripped out. As you can see, the insulation there, it's got insulation underneath there, it's got insulation there. Calm down, she's so giddy. A bit of me stuff that I've left in that needs to go in my flat, but I've got no room. So basically that's it. We've got a blank canvas to start at. I've got a blank canvas to start at, I'll say that again. And yeah, so we're going to go inside now because it's raining. All the units are inside and I'm going to show you them. Okay, so it's the 11th of December 2019. It's 10:30 at night and I'm just showing you this now before I take it apart. So I've got masking tape. I'm masked out, if you can see down there and round here. Can't see it that much, but I've masked out the area the size of the inside of the Berlingo camper. I've fit the bed there and I've fit the unit. So this is the actual size of the Berlingo inside the Berlingo, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this bed apart and I'm going to make a rock and roll style bed seat that folds out. It's not going to be a boot camper, I don't think, I'm not sure, but I want a seat, so I've got space here inside the Berlingo. Obviously I need that gap there to get my bike in, and my bike will fit in that gap, but I want space here. Got a dog cage, can't get in it if the dog cage is there, can't get in the back of Berlingo, so I want my dog cage over here. Don't know, not really thought it through much, but I'm showing you this because tomorrow I'm taking it apart, taking the bed apart anyway, completely stripping it apart for the wood and starting again. Right, okay, catch up tomorrow. Okay, so today is Friday the 13th. Oh, right. So it's 12:30 dinner time, and the bed's been took apart now. I've totally stripped it down and it's all in storage. So, so we've got this space here, and this, like I said, is the size of a Berlingo, inside the Berlingo, up to the back seats. So, what are you doing? Right, so we've got this cabinet here. Now, I want this cabinet on this side, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it apart. I'm going to take that end off and that end off and switch them round, and then it'll go on this side. So I'll put running round mental. Anti-flow back. Right, okay. Let's do this. Okay, it's Sunday the 15th of December 2019. It's 2:20 PM. So last night I took this unit apart and I switched ends, swapped ends round. Oh, what are you doing? Right, I'll have to sort that out. Right, sorted pissy ass out. You knocked that over last night, so she was up this morning. She's got a water infection, and that's why she's just weeing like that. So we was up this morning at 3 AM, and Miss had tools on it, and she jumped up, knocked over, it made a crashing bang. She'll get me in trouble with my neighbours, and I've sidetracked now. So this unit, I switched this end and that end, so it'll go on that side. I put that and that upside down so they're the right direction. And yeah, so I've done that, and I'm going to do some more work on this, but I've got a little unit and I'm going to take that apart soon and show you that. So I've got two to work on. Okay, wee bum. Right, okay, it's 5 PM and I've measured out the 3 pieces of wood that I'm going to use to make my seat. So this is the boot end, the middle, and the front seat end. So what it's going to do, it's going to fold up there and go back and make a seat, and that is going to be the bit you sit on, and it's going to fold flat, and that's the size that I'm going to have it at. So I'm going to get my mate round tomorrow, and that's a fellow YouTuber, Sweary Northerner, and they're going to come round and cut the wood for me because I've got asthma, can't be breathing sawdust in, and it's made me ill before. I'm just recovering now from a chest infection. So, okay, and we'll catch up tomorrow. Right, okay, here we have Sweary Northerner. And we're going to cut some wood, and I'm going to go in, can't breathe the dust in because of my asthma. So jigsaw, lines drawn there, it's all lined up, so we're going to go and cut. Okay, catch up when it's cut. Right, so okay, with some off cuts of wood there, and we're finished now. It's 4:25. So right, cheers mate, you've been watching Sweary Northerner, and we'll catch up with you later mate. Okay, so it's Monday the 16th of December 2019. It's 10 to 6 in the evening. So as you've seen today, I've had Sweary Northerner around cutting the wood for me, and this is the wood that they've cut. The top piece, middle piece, and the bottom piece was alright. So this is the size of a Berlingo, and this is what my setup was going to be like. Now it's not going to be lay on my floor, it's going to be raised up the height so I can store my portalo underneath it, so it gives me a gap up this end to get e-bikes in. Right, so next I'm going to build the frame that holds it as a chair and work out how it comes out as a bed, the frame that I need underneath to support it. Right, so that's it for this video. I want to keep them all under 10 minutes. Anything over 10 minutes is too long. So you've been watching me, Paul, One Man One Dog, and Berlingo Micro Camper. And yeah, I've got a website. I've just set up a new Berlingo website. I'll put the link for it in the description. If you're new to this channel, blah blah blah, like we all say, subscribe and that. But yeah, it's up to you, that, isn't it? Right, okay, so thanks for watching.